sama o kohi dozo.
Salamai.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Jane, and I'm your maid now. I don't have a maid cafe, but I'm going to make Dalgona Coffee, Dalgona Milo, and Dalgona Matcha. So this is the coffee. Since my husband wants coffee, so I'm going to make him Dalgona Coffee. And this is our matcha. Because I like matcha, I'm going to make Dalgona Matcha. And this is the Milo because I'm going to make Dalgona Milo for my son. So guys, as your maid, what Dalgona flavor do you want me to make for you? Anyway, enough for the sat-sat guys. Let's now make the Dalgona in 3 different flavors. So guys, let's make first the Dalgona coffee. This one. You have to put 1, 2 tablespoons of coffee. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then we have to add water. 1, 2. Wow! So this is the Dalgona coffee. Look guys, it looks so yummy. And we have our guest to drink this one. Papa, nande? O sama o kohi dozo.
Salamai.
Do, Papa? Do.
Delicious.
Next, we're going to make the Dalgona matcha. We're going to use this one, cream. We have to put 1, 2, 3. We have to put 3 tablespoons of matcha. 1, 2, 2, and 3. We're not going to add sugar because the cream is sweetened and the matcha is sweetened also. Wow! Look, Papa. And we're done with our Dalgona matcha. And next, we're going to make the Dalgona Milo. We have to put 3 tablespoons of Milo. 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to use again the cream. 3 tablespoons of cream. 2, 3. This time, guys, we're going to add sugar for the Milo because the Milo is not sweetened. I want sweet, but we're going to add 1 tablespoon only. 1. Wow. Wow.